Today, we're going to spill the beans on exactly how to find quality leads on LinkedIn without paying for premium, spending a dime on ads, or fighting the algorithm. Nope, we'll work with it. You'll learn how to get the most out of LinkedIn in 2025 and beyond with 5 simple, yet super effective LinkedIn tactics. 1. Don't just fill out your profile. Treat it like your sales rep. Your profile is your 24/7 digital sales rep. Any potential lead who sees your message will probably check out your profile first and make their decision based on what they see. Here's what we'll do. Don't talk about yourself in the About section. Instead, talk about the challenges your target audience faces. Keep your banner image clean, but make sure it sends a clear message. This approach leads to more profile visits, builds more trust, and results in a higher acceptance rate. 2. Use LinkedIn search smartly. Open the people filter. Select second-degree connections to expand our reach. Filter by industry, job title, and current company. And here's the most important detail. Target people who've shared content in the last 30 days. Why? Because active users are much more likely to respond. 3. Personalize every connection request. Nobody pays attention to generic connection requests these days. Most people don't even accept them. So, we need to stand out with messages that feel genuine. Here's an example we recommend. Hey Olivia, I've been following your posts with interest. It looks like we're focused on similar areas in the industry. I'd love to be part of your network. A respectful and personal message like this creates a great first impression and gets more approvals. 4. Post engaging content that gets people talking. We need to stay visible. Share posts at least twice a week, focusing on professional curiosity, personal stories, or open-ended questions. And no, they don't have to be directly sales-related. Example post ideas. What's the biggest challenge your team has faced recently? What moment gave you a boost of motivation this week? Have you ever met someone on LinkedIn who truly inspired you? Posts like these help kickstart natural conversations, boost your visibility, and could even get more people to message you first. 5. Follow up like a pro when you don't get a reply. Just because someone didn't respond to your first message doesn't mean the relationship is over. Following up with the right tone can actually work even better than your initial message. It can increase your response rate by up to 30%. Here's an example follow-up message. Hey Noah, just checking in to make sure my last message didn't get lost in the shuffle. I've got a few ideas that might be helpful in your field. Happy to share if you're interested. A polite, no pressure, open-ended follow-up like this can really make a difference. In summary, LinkedIn isn't just a career platform anymore. Used correctly, it could be a powerful tool for getting qualified leads, even with zero ad budget. If you consistently apply these 5 techniques, you'll start seeing results. We'll have more videos coming soon on how to use platforms like LinkedIn more effectively. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out.